Why do you craze my mind? You do it to me all the time. I do nothing to you at all. Just keep punishing me, leaving me in a very dark place. Really wondering about my own spiritual welfare. Why? Why do you always play me? Who's to be played all the time? I know you hate me. I know you hate me tremendously. But you are wasting your own energy to waste mine. I don't know what to do, whether to scream at night. You are disgusting. You live off people's hurt. This has been a long-standing war. And it will be won by me eventually, as I fight hard. But at the moment, I don't know. Maybe I'll take a back seat for a few years, but I will pop up again. You mark my words, on to you. I know your mind games. Played them for years, but you never get close to destroying you. You piece of dirt. I will have my revenge on you. Let that be known. I will revenge you.